exciting to see these guys develop, and they all have ideas. They all have plenty of ideas. So it's more so just putting it in paper. It's more so learning different techniques. This is all analog instead of digital. So we're all learning different things, and I think collaborating, because we've got a mixture of varied artists here who have different expressions. So seeing them mix a bit of the rock, a bit of the drill, a bit of the, they've all got talents that could maybe help each other. So yeah.
Yes guys, Babla here. I am here in Newport, outside the Corn Exchange for National Youth Arts Wales Music Futures event. Let's see what's going on inside. It's going to be a great day.
Yeah, I chased it and embraced it.